Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Cursor CLI on Windows 11 operating system. So first here, if I go into this command prompt, write there pwsh minus minus version. So you can see PowerShell 7.60 that already installed. So in your system, PowerShell must be there. If I write pwsh, then this is now comes under PS PowerShell. Now the next is here on this Google search box right there, cursor CLI, then go on this cursor.com site. There you can get this command. So first going to copy this command. Let's copy this. Thereafter open this place PowerShell. PowerShell and PS 7.6 place so this command. Why this not copied? Okay, this is not copying, so manually I'm going to select this all, Control C, and now paste there. So here, or with the help of this command, we can easily install Cursor CLI. Now press Enter. Press Enter, and now you can see web request total size is 42 MB. So currently this is downloading the files. And now this turn, this location, this here or this turn, happy coding this. After that, let's write there ascent minus minus version. So when you write there, then you can see or this version that install. Now let's use their CLS. They after write this ascent only. So when you write here ascent, then you can get this cursor, this version, press any key to login. First you need to do the login. So you can do the login with this. Let's use their Chrome. Tip is that come there, sign in to cursor. Let's click on this continue to sign in. And you have this option. Then you can do the sign in with cursor account, Apple, GitHub, or Google. Let's use their Google. Now you can see this customize after login. This come there. Let's use the myself. Let's give okay. Maybe later I will do this. Or skip now. Unchecking this one, continue. Maybe later, I will do this later. Feel free, return to the CLI. Let's back to the CLI. Here you can see this that's come there, trust workspace. First click this and now press enter. Let's give their backslash, then writing their model, auto that selecting there, press enter, writing there hi. So this is now coming there. Okay, writing their top 5 commands of terminal. So this is now top 5 commands of terminal. This is generating here. This is returning the art. For each where group sort this on. After that you can use this cursor CLI on your terminal or command prompt. So this is how we can use or install cursor CLI on Windows 11. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.